Get ready, because the Google Pixel 10 Pro might just be the phone that changes everything in 2025, and trust me, you don't want to miss the features that could make this the smartest smartphone Google has ever built. Imagine a phone that doesn't just respond to your commands, but predicts what you need with its next-level AI, giving you a seamless experience that feels futuristic yet natural. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to come with Google's most advanced Tensor G5 chip, built for speed, efficiency, and powerful AI processing, making multitasking smoother, gaming faster, and everyday performance absolutely flawless. Pair that with a 6.9-inch QHD+ AMOLED display with a 1 to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and you're looking at a screen that's not just stunning but also super responsive, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply scrolling through apps. But what's really going to grab attention is the camera setup. Google has always been a leader in smartphone photography, and with the Pixel 10 Pro, we could see a triple lens system featuring a 200MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto zoom that lets you capture crisp, detailed shots even from far away. Add Google's signature AI image processing, and suddenly night shots, portraits, and videos reach a whole new level of clarity and creativity. The front camera is expected to come with upgraded AI-based beauty modes and 4K video recording for creators who love vlogging or streaming. Battery life has also been a huge focus, with reports suggesting a massive 5,500 mAh cell supported by 100W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, so even heavy users won't have to worry about constantly plugging in. And here's where it gets even better. Google is rumored to introduce AI-driven battery optimization that learns your habits and adjusts power usage to give you hours of extra life when you need it most. Security is another big step up, as the Pixel 10 Pro is expected to feature an upgraded Titan M3 security chip along with an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and advanced face unlock for extra convenience. On the software side, it will run on Android 15 straight out of the box, with exclusive Pixel-first features like live AI call screening, real-time translation that works offline, and smarter voice commands that practically make the phone your personal assistant. And here's the kicker. The Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to launch in October 2025, right in time for the holiday season, and with Google focusing heavily on both premium design and cutting-edge AI, it could be one of the most competitive phones against giants like Apple and Samsung. But wait, what if I told you that Google might sneak in a surprise feature like satellite connectivity for emergency communication, or even a hidden AI upgrade that's not revealed until launch day? That's the kind of suspense that makes this phone so exciting, and Google always has a way of surprising its fans with something extra. So the question is, are you ready for the future of smartphones? Because the Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a phone, it's becoming a glimpse into tomorrow. And if you watch this video till the end, here's your surprise. Rumors suggest that Google might offer an exclusive AI Pro mode, only for those who buy the Pixel 10 Pro at launch, unlocking hidden AI features that no other phone in the market will have, which could change the way we use smartphones forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.